Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Nikki.
We're the Smithbusters, and this is SongBird. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the quick process we're doing with these screws on our frame. Nikki's going to do all the drilling. I'm going to do all the filming. So enjoy. Alright.
I think we should put it on here.
So we've got some pre-mixed 2-part JB weld, which is 2-part metal on metal epoxy welding. And we're adding it to the threads of the screws. We've already put some behind the plate. You can see it kind of in the holes a little bit, but there's some behind the plate, and then we screwed through it, and we're going to put some, like I said, on the screw and then into there. That way that it'll fill out the screw pilot holes with JB weld and weld it to the screw and the back plate all in one, and we'll have a super secure door on the frame.
Oh, about to lose my screw now. Uh-oh.
They're super tough. We've got perfectly fit screws and perfectly fit drill bits. And then the little excess JB weld that sticks out, just take a little bit of paper towel, wipe it off, clean it up a little bit so it doesn't bond to the other side when we close the door, and we move on to the next one. And that's how you can secure your frame to your bus for your house door. We'll be back. So maiden voyage, we just got everything hung up.
We're hoping that we can close it without it getting stuck.
Now it's still a little snug on the top, so.
You ready?
Yep.
No go. You have to sand down. There's a much bigger gap here than original.
Yep.
So we're gonna have to sand down this side some more, and then we're gonna have to get some shims to put in here.
Yep. We'll be back. Hey guys, Mike and Nikki, we're back. We got the door in. We had to hog off a little of the door frame with a grinder.
Yeah, the metal, we had to shave down some of the metal around the frame because the door was closing on the bottom, but not the top. So,
whoops.
Yeah.
So we're gonna meander on out and show you. So, come on. Follow us. Watch your step. We've got, it's like 8:30 on a Monday night. I gotta go back to work tomorrow, but we got our door in, so check it out. The door, she be closing. And a tap, and a tap. And she's in.
We'll fix that up there tomorrow.
Yep, a little.
Right there, it gets a little stuck and it's rubbing a little bit, but we'll get that tomorrow.
So, aside from that, this is episode 4 with the Smithbusters signing out.
Bye, guys.
Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes, please and thank you.
And then follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Do the smolder
The
at
smolder.
the very end. 3, 2, 1.
Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Nikki.
We're the Smithbusters. Do big circles. Wash the bus. Big circles. Left hand sponge, right hand brush. Big circles. Wash the bus. Good. Good thing number 1 and number 2.